bagong ligo po ako. Char, amoy nyo? No, I'm bored actually this afternoon. So what I'm going to do today, I was not able to pick some pesto pasta anymore. There's no sauce for pastas anymore, not even bolognese and everything. But what my kids' favorites are the green pesto.
Green is not a creative
I'm not
color.
able to pick it anymore. There's no available sauce, pesto sauce anymore. So I decided to make my own pesto sauce. So it's very easy, guys, and you can actually preserve it. That's why I have an empty bottle here, which I can put the pesto sauce and preserve it. And I also have some other bottles. Maybe if it's too much what I'm going to do today, then I can preserve it in different bottles. It's very easy. We only need actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things, or 7 ingredients and a blender. That's all what we need. So let's start.
Alright, continue.
So guys, our basil leaves are now ready. It's cleaned, washed, and cut. So we're going to start with the garlic. Under kasi it's the hard ingredients, yun yung matigas. And then the pine nuts, half of the pine nuts under. And then we put on the leaves, all in. That's how easy it is kasi you just need to put it all together. And then the rest of the pine nuts. Now we have to put cheese.
Cheese is good, cheese is yellow, cheese is holy too.
The more cheese, the better. So at least 1 teaspoon of pepper. And then 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Dagdagan natin konti ng pepper. Parang ang liit lang yung nilagay ko at wala pang 1 teaspoon actually. So that's like. Ubusin na natin yung cheese. Let's put all together. I have a grated parmesan here. It's about 60 grams. And then let's put enough extra virgin oil inside. So damihan nyo guys. The more the olive oil, the more it's better because it would be more easy to grind and it would be more how do I say that, liquidy, fluffy. So, and then we're going to put it on in our mixer or blender, and then let's start into slow how do you call that? Slow number or the lowest? Oh, I didn't put it yet.
I've been waiting for this.
So, saksak muna natin guys. We need a kuryente. Diba? So, like this, we are going to start into the slow.
One eternity later.
Let's add a little bit more olive oil inside. Guys, generous amount of olive oil will help to let our pesto here to be grinded easily. So let's start again. See? And then let's put it higher. let's check and mix it with a spoon inside. We will have to make it sure that under the garlic and the pine nuts is well blended as well together. Let's give it around one more, just a quick one. And that's it. Ta-da! Our pesto is done. That our pesto is done. We're going to transfer it into the empty bottle so we can preserve it. I want to preserve it, and then you can use it step by step whenever you want to use the sauce. Just put it in your refrigerator. So like that. O, diba? So parang ang dami ko nga ginawa. So I'm going to pick one more box. Wait. I have a small here, which I also can put, and I will use this for tonight's dinner. So, voila! That's our homemade pesto sauce. This is a very healthy and delicious sort of pesto or pasta sauce. So, if you like my video, guys, and if you like what I'm cooking, don't forget to hit the subscribe, give me a like, and hit the bell. So bye for now, guys. See you in my next video.